Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change payment methods on HelloFresh. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you received a new credit card or debit card, or maybe you switched bank accounts and you want to go ahead and start paying for HelloFresh still using a different payment method. So the first thing that we're going to do is on the upper right hand side, you want to click on account settings. And then from here, you want to click on payment. So as you can see, I currently have one saved payment method here. So you can either remove this payment method or click on change payment method. So if I click on change payment method, you're going to see that it asks me to select my default payment method. I'll just click on add here. And then from here, you can either add a credit card. So obviously you would input your name, card number, expiration date, security code, etc. Or you could actually connect your PayPal account. So once you click on add payment, you'll be redirected to PayPal to approve the payment. So what that means is that you're essentially just going to log into your PayPal account and connect to HelloFresh using your PayPal account. But this right here, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your payment method on HelloFresh. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.